as far as the eye can see. Let us rise strong like an army. Watch closely what will be. Watch us now. You show us the pathways. You led us out of the valley. You heard our prayers 20,000 times. Give me the morning after. Wake me up when I sleep. Make us strong like an army. 20,000 miles above the sea. Above the sea. Above the sea. Above the sea. We will stand here, let it happen. Even when the winds are cold. In the night they'll see us shining. Hear our song from far below. Heavenly roads are leading us out of the valley once again. Cover us with your mercy 20,000 times, amen. Give me the morning after. Wake me up when I sleep. Make us strong like an army. 20,000 miles above the sea. Above the sea. The truth, the life, the way. Not by power, not by striving, but by your name we stand redeemed. Jesus Christ, you are the center. Everything begins in thee. 1,000 heavy years lie before us, so show us what we're made of now. Turn my door into a gate of heaven, through which golden gifts pour out. This is more than just believing. I place my life into your hand. Come and meet me where I'm standing, in this holy promised land. Give me the morning after. Wake me up when I sleep. Make us strong like an army. 20,000 miles above the sea. Above the sea. At the center, we rise.